Chinatown Street Market. Let's go in and see what this market has to offer. Come with me. So guys, this is mats. Just a small mini store. Small mini store here. I get all the okay. Don't forget we're still here around the temple. I said, but to go cinema. Man, even more, should be careful. Okay, so this is still the temple. So this is $10 if you want to shop. Hi. And we have the lights. We have jewelries here. Back to the temple. Temple is so as you're going down to the market, the temple is behind you. So if you want to buy, come here. You have the souvenirs here. So in the form of bottles. Then now you have the shop. Very affordable, guys. Very, very affordable. Dumpling Gardens.
$10.
Yeah, $10. So guys, in the evening, places will be lighted. Now it's not that way because it's not yet dark here, but when it is dark, here you still have some souvenirs. Let's have a close look. If you want to shop, come here.
Yes.
Hello.
Hi.
Have you seen the new power bank?
Oh, I'm coming. You have the new power bank?
Can I show you?
I'll come back later. When I'm coming up, I'll come later. He wants to sell me a power bank, guys. At this moment, I don't really need a power bank. So this is a China. So if you want to change money, come here. You're going to be able to change your money. Oh, I remember I had this type of outfit. Very affordable. And you have this. So this is what my back looks like. Everything behind me looks like this. So if I go around, this is what it looks like. It's a cool evening over here, guys. So let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. It's a gift shop. It's a gift shop. You want to buy gifts? Souvenir, souvenir. I make sure you to see what it looks like right behind me. So this is what my bag looks like. So you can get your ice cream from here. So that's it about the Chinatown street markets. Chinatown markets. So guys, this is what it looks like.
Indian and Mexican.
China. Let me show you guys. Chinatown street markets. Chinatown street market. Souvenir shops. If you want to get souvenirs, you come here at the Chinatown street market. There's also a metro station here. Thank you for watching. Do well to give this video a thumbs up, share for all those who are not here, let them know. Subscribe, stay blessed. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you. Bye.